the legendary Sonic. This electric RC car is ready to go right out of the box and includes everything you need to get started. This kid-sized monster truck is a high-quality 4x4 off-road remote control car. It comes with a brushed motor that provides a steady power curve that's ideal for those new to RC cars. The tires are soft and wide to ensure stability, so it makes less noise and won't suddenly flip while driving on grass, sand, or dirt. Additionally, it is an ideal choice for those that enjoy a wide range of RC vehicles. This four-wheel drive truck can take the bumps and dust off any terrain and is built with a waterproof and all-terrain design. And the remote control promises easily maneuverability, making it an ideal choice for beginners and more experienced users with up to 250 feet of operating distance and a top speed of 38 miles per hour. The four wheels allow for variable terrain paths, and you can use the vehicle on virtually any surface. We like that it's also easy to operate. Grab the 2-speed controller. Just take a few moments to read the tutorial and then let your inner monster truck driver free. Furthermore, the power of this car is all from electricity, and there are no fumes or noise from your driving custom cars. This toy will stay fun for years and years because it's durable, waterproof, and powerful enough to run over almost anything. Its pros are, its lithium-ion batteries give an extended runtime of nearly 40 minutes. Whether you're steering on sand, concrete, or going rogue, this RC monster truck can withstand rugged surfaces with expert grip, operation, and durability. And its easy-to-use 2-speed controller offers a comfortable grip and long-range handling up to 250 feet. However, you have to take the body cover off to swap out batteries, and the bins that hold it are very easy to lose. The legendary Sonic is an ideal gift for kids and all-around car enthusiasts. Its high-performance motor, durable design, and reliable remote control make it perfect for both veterans and newbies alike. Still haven't found an RC monster truck that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.